Hi guys, we received this KOYYTO multi-tool belt for repairing purposes, and it's a really nice one because I'm gonna first put it on. Because it works great when you wanna do any kind of work in your car, any maintenance in your house. So, like, you can take some screwdrivers, place them in your belt, take your measure tape, some gloves, a level, a hammer, some pens, a cutter, some tweezers, hell, even a little drill, a different kind of screwdriver, and all have it with you at hand whenever you need it. So it's really nice. As you can see, it's a very nice material quality. It's a nice color, and you can have your tools at hand whenever you need them. So it's nice, and I would recommend it. See ya.